Rands and Cents on the Midday Connection.
Joined us, it's time for Rands and Cents, and ila sikhuluma khona izinto ezihlangana neimali, and of course ke sidodisane, sikhulisane, and make sure we encourage each other to be responsible financially and make savvy decisions in 2026. Joining us with this conversation namhlanje samsana ke no Thandazani okamsomi kahle kahle, we financial advisor, salesman as well, and of course ke he'll help us navigate a conversation namhlanje around saving for our children's education. And of course ke sikwamukele Msomi khama kanjani?
Akukhuluma kakhulu my brother, kwathi angithi yebo lapho kuma savings, kwathi angithi yebo khaya umthethwa, kwathi angithi yebo DJ Sonic nezwela bafethu ngiclend kakhulu, ngine energy ngifana nani.
Uyingala lana energy mara.
Kwathi yebo kuleyo energy.
Nami ngithi yebo.
Yebo lapho. Salute.
No, my brother, want to have a conversation. Both me and Sonic have got young boys.
Sure.
They're the same age, a similar age, and of course, we're in that period where we have to start thinking about the future, start thinking about what to get, especially for education, for the future, and maybe we can just start talking about the importance of starting early in saving up financially for one's education for ingane.
Mfowethu iphuzu elibaleka kakhulu lelikhaya umthethwa enelikhulumayo, but ke kumbuzo wakho mfowethu la sithinda khona indaba zokusave for ingane ezinisho nje ukuthi ingane zenu cha seyiqala ukukhula. So ke ngingasho kumlaleli lapha nekhaya ukuthi ke uqala ucabange ngengane yakho, more especially even before izifike nasemhlabeni, kumele kube into oqala uyicabanga la ekutheni ke kumele usayivele yona ingane yakho. But ke mengabe sifikile, ideally parents should start as early as possible ukuthi ke beyicabange le ndaba yokuthi besayivele ingane yakho umuntu. And the most mistake abanye abantu abayenzayo abazali belapha nemakhaya uku-extenda le ndaba yokuthi ikhaya ngizosave egcine kumuntu mhlambe ebelate kakhulu ekuthena savele umngane wakhe ingane yakhe. So as early as possible ngisho ukuthi ke kubalekile ukuthi umuntu aqale ukusave for umntwana wakhe.
And when it comes to education, what are the best savings? Siyazi kunama educational plan, kunama investment. What would your advice be? For instance, nje yabona advise umuntu uthi ngoba into my educational plan abanye abantu bathi into endala sewesidala leso. What would your advice be for someone who maybe is still on a budget, doesn't have all the money but wants to put money away for a future education ingane yakhe?
My brother, ngingamtshela umuntu lapha nekhaya ukuthi ke cha kubalekile ukuthi ayicabange lento le, and ke maningi kakhulu ama plan angaba khona, as much as singeke kube khona ama specific companies siwamenshina okanye siwabala ukuthi ke akashone kule company, but ukucabanga ngama company noma ke izinto zeindlela zokusave efana nama unit trust, ama long term growth, umuntu engaqala ecabange kube khona ebizwa nga education policies, umuntu engaqala ecabange yasiza kakhulu. Kube khona ngeibizwa nge tax free savings account ETFSA, engayicabanga umuntu ingakwazi ukuthi ke imsize kakhulu. Bese kube khona even endowment policies for disciplines savers, mfethu they can look at it ngoba kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi ke mengabe ukhethe option ukhethe option izohambisana nawe, iphindeke i-risk i-appetite yakho. So ke ngingathi mhlawumbe lawo ekhaya umthethwa nani Sonic abantu abangathi look at them.
Ngiyakuzwa nomndawo yabalabala okuhlukahlukene mfethu, like your education policy, unit trust, savings account, ngiyaqala ukuzizwa okunye kwazo.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe what's the difference between all these things you mentioning?
Mfowethu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi amanye awo ayethanda ukuthi kuhambe ngerisk ukuthi ke mengabe ngingena kule mhlawumbe risk yakona ikihambe kanjani, but okubaluleke kakhulu kuwona indaba yokuthi the more izoba namathuba amakhulu ukuthi mengabe ufaka imali bebethini the higher the growth, should mengabe uinvest imali yakho for umntwana wakho, but ke the lower the risk, but ke sometimes the lower the risk the higher the growth. So ilezo zinto kahle eziyihluke kuphakathi kwawo la ukuthi ke mengabe uyikhetha lo ikhethayo ngabe mhlawumbe i-risk yakona ingakanani, but the higher the risk ke kube kuthini nawe uzobenefita kakhulu. If ke ukuthi risk yayo isuka iphansi kancane ukuthi nawe uzogaina kancane. So kahle nje ilezo zinto eziye zibe umehluko kakhulukazi kuona lama savings plans for i-education yabantwana.
Siyazi uJanuary kubuyela esikoleni khona abazali abayisola abayibhubhudle yonke ngoDecember nkosi yami, and kuyathusa ukuthi khona umzali osenza njalo.
Very, very scary stuff, bro. Very, very scary stuff. But also, now that they need to start thinking about isn't danger, would be if someone is on a budget, what would your advice be? What would be the best method
my brother, okokuqala ukuthatha leyo nto khaya oyitshela yona ukuthi mina imali yami incane. I think nje lokho nje umuntu kumele erase akubeke eceleni, because into zokusave khaya more especially if usavela if ifuture yomntwana vele umntwana usamncane that's why sitheme ngabe siqala sathi qala ukumsavela esamncane so mingabe uqala the more investor usaqala umntwana esamncane so ne investment plan yakho noma imali oyifakayo vele ibancane sometimes you can even start from like 200 250 then if umntwana ke sekhula kulapho kusuthi uyayiqala khona ke sekumele ukukhokhe imali enkulu kakhulu so nje ngathi nje okubaleka kakhulu akahle ayikho imali encane ekinvesteni for imfundo yomntwana so the little that you have is the best that you can give for umntwana wakho because the more time uzoqala ukusave mina sekunemali enkulu is the more now izokusengenzekalanga at the end of the day
mhlawumbe umuntu uvula ile investment ye savings account what's the best route to take ungayivula ngawe ezumzali noma mhlawumbe uyivule ngengane
yabona ke DJ Sonic lelo phuzu lelo libaleke kakhulu my brother but abanye ke bazali mistake enkulu abayeyenza bebecabanga ukuthi okay mengabe ngivula le investment azithi ibekwa ngibe ngiyifaka egameni lomntwana that is the worst mistake that umzali can do if uyivula le investment le yes yomntwana but ayibe segameni lakho because already wena usuyaziwa vele umuntu osebenzayo so negama lakho sekukhona la livela khona eligama khona yes and okubowe sikakhulu umntwana if sometimes mhlambe ekhula uzokhula ehambe iphakamisa ukuthi mhlambe mina nginemali thola ukuthi kanti le mali akusiyona yakhe eyomzali so the more uyifaka egameni lakho ezumzali as much as kuyeyomntwana but ke ayibe segameni lakho umzali.
And what happens to your education plan if mhlambe ke umzali loses the income or passes away kwenzakalani kuyona
nabuza komunye umbuzo bafethu onzima kakhulu but ke ukuniphendula if mhlambe ulahlekelwa income yakho most plans allows ukuthi wenze adjustment so ke kunento ebizwa ngokuthi i-contribution holidays so ke umuntu akangabi novalo akahambe yokhuluma la ka investor khona ukuthi guys sekube nenkinga eyenzakalile so ke bengicela ningenzela into ebizwa nge-contribution holidays and ke if ke parents mhlambe edlula emhlabeni lokho ke kuncike kuthini mhlambe kukhona yini i-life cover that is linked to this educational plan. That's why Sonic earlier on ngithi umzali i-plan ayibe ngaphansi kwegama lomzali because umzali mengabe seshona ayifake ingane as the beneficiary because ingane izokwenza njani izosala so ke kubalekile lokho ukuthi i-cover ye-education uyilink towards i-life cover ukuze mekabudlule emhlabeni usiyoclaima kwaze ukuthi okay le mali yasala for umntwana njalo njalo so ke this is why ukuhlanganisa ke education plan plus i-life cover ukuze kumntwana wakho engaphazamiseki.
No, fantastic man. If we want to get more information from you, sithola kanjani Msomi?
Kulula kakhulu khaya enkundleni zokuxhumana ngikhona simple as Uthandazani TP Msomi can be your Instagram, your LinkedIn, YouTube, uTwitter, uTikTok njalo njalo and ke just before ngivale nje ngingamtshela umuntu lapha ekhaya ukuthi ke saving for education is not about being rich but it is about being intentional. Uma ke uqala nje namhlanje usiza ke ikusasa lomntwana wakho so ke people must look at this plan yokuthi ke besavele for future yomntwana more especially education because ikusasa alaziwa ngenzeka noma yini noma inini.
Yebo lapho.
The Midday Connection with DJ Sonic no Kaya Mthethwa, 12 to 3 p.m.